The Neuschwanstein Castle is located in Bavaria, near the town of Fussen. It was built by King Ludwig II of Bavaria, also known as the Fairy Tale King. King Ludwig was a great admirer and supporter of Richard Wagner, the world-renowned composer. Neuschwanstein Castle was built in his honor, and many rooms in the castle's interior were inspired by Wagner's characters. The Shy King had built the castle in order to withdraw from the public life. Now, vast number of people came to view his private refuge. He died in 1886 and the final towers weren't completed until 1892. But within weeks of his sudden and mysterious death, the magnificent castle was opened to the public, where it quickly became one of the region's most visited attractions. Today, Neuschwanstein is one of the most popular of all the palaces and castles in Europe. Every year, 1.4 million people visit the castle of the Fairy Tale King. In the peak season from June until August, Neuschwanstein has as many as 6,000 visitors per day, and guests without advance reservation might have to wait several hours. Those without tickets may still walk the long driveway from the base to the top of the mountain and visit the grounds and courtyard without a ticket, but will not be admitted to the interior of the castle. We partnered with one of the best websites for tickets, and we are offering skip the line tickets. Just check description under this video for more information. Walt Disney visited this castle and used it as inspiration for the castle of Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty in Disneyland. Since the castle was not intended as a royal representation, but for relaxation of the king, Ludwig II created his own dream world, a poetic world of the Middle Ages. Images were inspired by Wagner's operas and are about love and guilt and about repentance and redemption. Three main figures are frequently repeated: the poet Tannhäuser, the Swan Knight Lohengrin, and his father, the Grail King Parsifal. In addition, you will repeatedly see a swan portrayed, symbol of purity and the symbol of the tombs of Schwangau. Both the inside and the outside of the castle will surprise you. The Schloss Neuschwanstein has more than 200 rooms, of which only 15 are fully finished. On the lower floors, for example, were the service areas for the staff. During your tour, you'll mainly visit the third and the fourth floor with the king's most important quarters. The second floor was never finished and now contains a shop, cafeteria, and multimedia area. You will probably experience one of the nicest views you have ever seen in a castle. The setting of Neuschwanstein could not be more idyllic. However, movement in the foundation area has to be continuously monitored, and the sheer rock walls must be repeatedly secured. The harsh climate also has a detrimental effect on the limestone facades, which will have to be renovated section by section over the next few years. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.